In this problem, we are simplifying a fraction, and that fraction contains numbers and variables, so I think it'll be easiest to break this apart. We're going to look at this as the cube root of 250 times the cube root of x to the 16th divided by the cube root of y to the 9th. Now that I've broken these apart, it's easier for me to see that the denominator, the cube root of y to the 9th, is going to be y to the 3rd power. But I still need to do some more breaking up in terms of the cube root of 250 and the cube root of x to the 16th. So the cube root of 250, I'm going to look at that as the cube root of 125 times the cube root of 2. And the reason I chose 125 is because I know that that's a perfect cube. It's 5 cubed. So the cube root of 250 becomes 5, the cube root of 2. Similarly, I want to work on that cube root of x to the 16th. So the cube root of x to the 16th power, I'm going to break that up as the cube root of x to the 15th. And the reason I've chosen x to the 15th is because that is a multiple of 3. It's going to be x to the 5th. And then the cube root of x is left. And so then breaking that down, that becomes x to the 5th power, the cube root of x. And so when I bring these three pieces together, those two in the numerator and this one in the denominator, that 5 and that x to the 5th are going to get multiplied. 5x to the 5th power. And the cube root of 2 and the cube root of x will stay under that cube root together as 2x. And that is being divided by, and really the whole thing is being divided by, y to the 3rd power.